Hallo
Hello and
und
welcome to
herzlich
Mauritius and
willkommen in
welcome to my channel.
meinem Kanal. In diesem Video geht es um das Klima
In
in
this video, we're going to talk about the climate in Mauritius. I'm sure you've already read a bit about the weather here, but in this video, you'll get real insider information and useful background knowledge. This will help you decide which region or area in Mauritius might be the best for you, whether you want to settle here, buy a property, or make an investment. Mauritius is a small island in the Indian Ocean, located in the southern hemisphere, and you, living in Germany, are in the northern hemisphere. This means when it's winter for you and cold, your summers are warm. But here, in the southern hemisphere, the seasons are reversed. When it's winter for you, it's summer for us. December is our hot summer season. And when it's summer in Germany, then June, July, and August are our cooler winter months. Mauritius is dominated by the southeast trade winds. This means the wind almost always comes from the southeast, very different from Germany, where wind directions change constantly, north, south, east, west. Here, it's mostly southeast. Only during cyclones can the wind come from the west, the north, or the south. When people think of Mauritius, they often imagine it's always sunny and hot. But that's not quite true. Mauritius is actually a climate puzzle. The island is only about 65 kilometers long, yet it has many different climate zones. In fact, more than some small continents. Because of the southeast trade wind, the air is almost always warm and maritime. There is no cold ocean air here. The Indian Ocean always warms it up. Even if the wind comes from Antarctica, it gets warmed up over the ocean and arrives in Mauritius as a warm airflow. The main advantage is that the air here is clean and fresh. It travels thousands of kilometers over the ocean. There are no factories, no traffic jams, no exhaust fumes, just pure air. Mauritius is a volcanic island. Like most volcanoes, it has a high plateau and mountain ranges, and this creates the different climate zones. The southeast trade winds bring moist ocean air. This means that the southeast and east receive the most rainfall, especially in the areas where the mountains begin. That's where you find the heaviest rain and the lowest temperatures. Let's start in the North Grand Bay. The average temperatures there range from 19 to 32 degrees. The coldest time is at night in winter, around 19 degrees, and once I even saw 18. During the day in summer, it rises to 32 or 33. I live here myself in the north in Grand Bay. Here we get strong showers, but they pass very quickly, and that makes the climate very comfortable. Another advantage, Mauritius often has clouds passing by. I've lived in many countries, and most recently for years in Bodrum, Turkey. There, in summer, it's only sun. 6 or 7 months non-stop. Heat up to 47 degrees, no clouds, no rain. At some point, you start dreaming of a summer rain, but it simply doesn't happen. Here, the advantage is that clouds regularly move across the island. As soon as the sun is covered, it immediately feels more pleasant. The sun doesn't burn your skin as strongly. For me, this is extremely comfortable. You're not 12 hours of direct sun, and even if it rains, it lasts only 5 or 10 minutes, and then the sun shines again. After that, you can go back to the beach or the pool. Now let's move to the southwest, Tamarin and Black River. Temperatures there range from 19 to 34 degrees. Rain is very rare, almost a desert-like climate. If you don't like rain, the southwest, Tamarin, will be the right choice for you. Now the Central Plateau. Mauritius is about 8 million years old, a volcanic island with many craters and a large plateau. Climatically, this means every 100 meters of elevation reduces the temperature by about 1 degree. You know this from the Alps, snow on the summit, green meadows in the valley. If you live in Mocha, temperatures there range from 12 to 27 degrees. In winter at night, down to 12 degrees in summer, comfortable 27. It's much cooler than the coast. The difference can be up to 10 degrees. If you prefer a cooler climate like my brother Alexander, then Mocha and the surrounding area are ideal. It's not as hot. but you can reach the beach in 20 or 25 minutes by car. Mocha has a downside, higher humidity and more wind, but it's not dramatic, still absolutely fine. Now the high plateau of Floreal and Curapipe in the southeast. This is the rainiest and coldest part of Mauritius. Temperatures there range from 10 degrees in winter to 26 in summer. If you like cool weather and lots of rain, this is the perfect area for you. There you also find beautiful forests, including some tropical ones. By the way, the name curepipe comes from French and means to clean the pipe. Sailors used to stop there on the plateau, smoke and clean their pipes. Now the southeast coast, Mahébourg and surroundings where the airport is located. There is a lot of wind and rain, though less than in Curepipe. Temperatures range from 16 degrees in winter to 27 in summer. There are many beautiful hotels in this area. It's important to remember the entire east and southeast are always windy. So you need to like wind. Surfers and kite surfers love it. If you buy property there, make sure the window frames and glass elements are well sealed. Otherwise, at night, you'll hear the wind whistling through every gap. So, that's the overview of Mauritius's climate. Depending on whether you want a lot of sun, prefer cooler weather, or love wind for surfing, now you know where to look. If you have specific questions I didn't mention, write them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer every question. And if you want to move to Mauritius, buy property, or invest, you can contact me directly. You'll find the link to my website below in the description. And now you can do me a big favor. Subscribe to my channel. It really helps me create more videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you know someone who wants to move to Mauritius or is interested in the island, share this video. I hope we'll meet in person on Mauritius soon. Until then, I wish you a wonderful time. See you. Ciao, bye. Yours, Armin.
Bald mal persönlich auf Mauritius kennenlernen. Und bis dahin wünsche ich noch eine super gute Zeit. Bis dann. Ciao, tschüss, dein Armin.